So today I'm installing this thing onto the roof, or through the roof, which is a Dometic Mirco Heki. It's going to be the roof light for my little bathroom that's going in here. So I've already got a mini Heki, which above the bed. Really good because they're letting tons of natural light. They come with built-in fly screens and blackout blinds. So it's just a great way of adding natural light and ventilation into your van. It's relatively straightforward to install. It's just really obviously daunting, cutting a massive hole in your roof. If you get it wrong, potential for a few leaks. So yeah, a little bit daunting. It's going to go in this space here. The bathroom will start about there and go to here. So it'll sit right above the middle of the bathroom. Yeah, it's 280 by 280, which fits nicely in that gap. It's got some roof bars on the roof that I need to work around. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut some holes in the corners out from the inside. So it fits fine in here between these roof struts, but I just need to make sure that I've got enough clearance around the roof bars. So I've offset the 280 by 280 by 50 mil inwards. So I'll drill those holes first, go and take a look up on the roof and see where it's come out, and just make sure that that's in the right place. If it's not quite right, I've then got 50 mil of wiggle room basically to adjust it. So let's get those holes cut. Okay, so that's the 4 offset holes drilled. I'm going to now just take the roof light up onto the roof, centralise it to those holes and see how it looks. If it's good, then I'll drill 20, the manual calls for a 24 mil hole, I've got a 25 mil hole, so it'll be fine in each corner. If it's good, I'll then basically transfer this line 280 by 280 square onto the top surface of the roof, put some masking tape down, then draw that on. Then I'll cut that out and fit the roof light. Okay, so we're a little bit close to the roof bar at the front end, so I'm just going to shift everything 20 mil that way. Okay, so I've just moved the original line back by 25-30 mil, so that I'm basically going to stick holes in these corners. I'm going to use this, which is a 25 mil hole saw. Okay, so that's all 4 holes in the corners drilled. Next stage is to go up on the roof and then basically just connect the holes with a jigsaw. So yeah, I'm gonna mask out where I need to cut on some masking tape. That masking tape will do 2 things. It's a nice surface to put your lines onto, and then also it's going to protect the paintwork that's not getting cut out and it's staying up there. So yeah, I'm going to use a jigsaw and a brand new metal cutting blade. I'm not going to do any talking up on the roof because the neighbours probably already think I'm a right weirdo, but yeah, I'll do a time lapse when I'm up there. Once I've cut out the opening, I will clean it with some isopropanol alcohol, just make sure there's no swarf up on the roof. Then I'll use some of this stuff just to seal the bare metal edge. Then once that's gone off, then I can get on to actually fitting the roof light. Okay, so we've cut the hole, a little bit of well, 2 cock-ups there. The hole was a tiny bit too small, so I had to do some additional cuts on this edge and this edge. Not the end of the world, but just make sure you've oversized it enough to get the actual roof light in. The other cock-up was because I used normal masking tape rather than the blue decorator's masking tape, which meant I couldn't actually get it off the roof, and it took a little bit of paint off of the roof as well. So make sure you use the blue decorator's tape rather than the standard stuff. Anyway, that's all sorted now. It's the right size, the window fits. I've deburred the edge and I've sealed the bare metal with some Hammerite paint. So going to give that paint a little minute to cure off, and then we'll be fitting the actual roof light itself. To fit the roof light, I'm going to be using this mastic sealant strip. I've got the 32mm one, which is maybe a little bit wide, I've just noticed, for doing roof lights, but I can double up the thickness. Basically what this is going to do is I'm going to layer it up in the low points on the corrugated sections of the roof. I'll probably put it all around the perimeter. The roof light then beds onto that, and then you use the sealant onto this stuff. Used it on that one, same technique, not had any leaks. So that's the plan. Need to check the weather forecast because there are a few clouds, and I need to get this massive hole in the roof sealed before it rains again. So once I've laid down the mastic sealant tape, this is the Sikaflex that I'll be using to seal the roof light in place. It's 552, I believe it's actually just replaced 512, but yeah, it's the recommended adhesive and sealant for the job. Okay, so that's the roof light in now. Next up is to put up the wooden frame surround, and then there's some little brackets that screw into here that pull it down. And then I will probably just go up and tidy up the sealant on the top, just so that there's a nice clean bead. Okay, so for thicker roofs, I think over 43mm, but I'll put some text in the video to confirm that. You have to get this additional trim ring that attaches to the roof light like that. And then that comes with some little metal brackets and screws. So I think my overall roof thickness is 54 to 55mm. So they attach that to your wooden frame, and then these screws go through that and up into here. Okay, so that's the additional bit of faceplate installed, plus these little brackets. If you're wondering what these are, basically I'm going to put 6mm ply across the whole ceiling. So I base the brackets that I bought off that thickness. So that's worked pretty well, apart from the front here, where I think the ceiling's a bit thinner. So I've just had to pack out with two, but that's okay. It's all clamped down tight now. So we'll leave that like that so that the Sikaflex can cure. So all that's really left to do now is go back up on the roof and just do a nice neat bead around the edge. That'll complete things up on top of the roof, and then down here I've got this blind fly screen that just clips in to the roof light. You've got your net and your blackout blind in there, but I won't obviously won't fit that until I put the ply and then the waterproof lining in the shower. So yeah, nearly there now. So that's the roof light installed. If you found that video useful, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching.